Thlik Thlok News thler tu te chibe ole voin October ni riat chhuna chanchin thar puan tur kan nei te ilonga thlang apuang tu siwan ramoi amma sa in chanchin langsar zawalte October ni somni pakwa a Mizoram pum huap total ban a omdon Governorin repans 25th graduations and lamp lighting ceremony amanpui Taiwan a Mizo thalai somnga nathok turin thon anidon MP Richard Vanal mangaya havin lunglaya disha thutkhomani kumin chungin Russia in Ukraine ram square kilometer sanga de tholato tuna chanchin kim changzokin ilonga thlang October ni somni pakwa Mizoram pum huap total ban aomdon MNF party chuan Mizoram sarkarin Forest Conservation Amendment Act sangni somni pathum apom sutle Putin October ni somni pakwa sangni somni panga khian Mizoram pum huap total ban kalpuyantum hemi chungchang hi nimin khan Central Hall veng huyanei National Executive Meeting a relania MNF President Zoram Thanga chuan thosoin FCAA sangni somni pathum ZPM sarkarin a adopi kandu lo tak zata MNF kan sarkar lai khan kandu lo thu Assembly House a kan lo pass to a ZPM sarkarin hetianga aron pass ta me hi apoi hle kan du lo thu le Special Assembly kawa sut le tura ngenna Mizoram sarkara kan the lut to boka chu chuan omzia anei lo ani atia he thil hian martar na nam thin hnuna khoya atakin kan sudon ani ati state level kala utsaf nei ani nimin khan state level kala utsaf sangni somni panga chu chan mari YMA hall aizola nei ania national level kala utsaf atel turte puanani national level a cultura thante chu vocal music solo classical semi classical a government Thlik High School Aizawl district vocal music group patriotic a Baptist Higher Secondary School Lunglei district instrumental music solo melodic a government Mizo Higher Secondary School Aizawl district instrumental music solo percussion a government Electric High School Lunglei district instrumental music group folk a government Thlik High School Aizawl district dance solo classical a government Gorkha High School Aizawl district dance group regional folk tribal a government Thlik High School Lunglei district theatre a Khopwar Secondary School Aizawl district traditional storytelling group a Sialsuk Higher Secondary School Aizawl district visual arts solo two-dimensional a government Mizo Higher Secondary School Aizawl district visual arts solo two-dimensional a government Leitlangpui High School Lunglei district visual arts group local craft a H Road Twanga Memorial High School Lamchip Aizawl district te anni Governorin repans 25th graduations and lamp lighting ceremony amanpui Mizoram Governor General Dr. Vijay Kumar Singh PVSM, AVSM, YSM retired chuan Wain Khan Regional Institute of Paramedical and Nursing Science repans 25th graduations and lab lighting ceremony sangni somni panga chu khwalian ni in repans auditorium a amanpuya Mizoram University exam sangni somni panga a gold medalist kuta medal le citation a hlanani Dr. Sanjay D. Sawant, Director, Repans Point, Thosoyin Proficiency Award Dongtu, Zirlai Somrat Pariatanhena, Chol Moina Ahlana, Pilalwat Kimi Renthei, Nursing Superintendent, Greenwood Hospital, Aizawl Chuan, Bachelor of Science, Nursing Zirlai Thartepual, Khonvar Chitna, Lamp Lining Le, Thutiam Soirwal na Huna Kai Shuaya. Graduate Thartenhena, Lompuina, Momento Lan Aniya, Zirlai Te Atangin Thucha, ngai thla kaniboka hemi nu hian Dr. H Lal Thenmoya convener 25th graduations and lamp lighting ceremony repans chuan lom thusoin hun hi akharani repans hi march ni somthum sangtha zakwa somkwa panga din ni in tun din huna department pasari College of Nursing, Department of Pharmacy, Department of Medical Laboratory Science, Department of Optometry, Department of Radio Imaging Technology Baka, Kuminatranga Bultan, Department of Physiotherapy le PG Diploma in Nutrition and Dietetics and Maya, Zena Program Shang Som Patni, kalpui ania staff za somruk le zirlai zakua somni panga an omme kani Northeastern State Pariatbaka India ram mundang te seat allot ania avain zirna seat zani somli pathum Bachelor of Science Nursing somnga Bachelor of Science MLT somli Bachelor of Pharmacy somli Bachelor of RIT somli Bachelor of Optom somli le BPT somthum pathum te a omeka kumin hian undergraduate za somsari pathum le postgraduate somli panga avain zirlai degree hlanthar zani sombariat an oma chinchia danin ripan satang hian voin thlengin undergraduate sangni zariat som panga le postgraduate za somruk parukte an chuak to ani mamita RTI week sangni somni panga man ani Nimin Khan DC Conference Hall Mamita DC Keltlom Lava Havin Right to Information Week sangni somni panga man ani Pijani Thanhlupui Treasury Officer Mamitle Pibiak Nungi DIPRO Mamite chu Resource Person ni in RTI sangni panga soizawna hunan manga pulalun fela chongthu SDO in hun akai shuayani Taiwana mizo thalai somnga na thokturin thon anidon Nimin Khan Pumal Somzol Arwalte Chairman Mizoram Youth Commission le Pu Jonathan Nalramrota OSD to Chief Minister Tatsu Mumin Chen India a Taiwan Ambassador Office a lengin India le Taiwan in na thoktur thon chwa konga inremna India to Taiwan Labor Mobility Agreement sangni somni pali hnuaya mizo thalai somnga kumin chunga Taiwan a tirni se antia Taiwan a thoktur zon agreement ziale tulang zongzong chu MYC in an boy puyang Taiwan a na thoktur hian kumsom puria chunglam mipale mechia sel na endik paltlangte an kal theidon ani Khozola MP tenena meeting tour clearing meeting an nei October ni som parokhian MP pani Purichard Vanal mangayele puke Vanal vena hawa Khozol disha meeting nei tu ni in hemi atana in kwa cha hian Nimin Khan DC ke Vanal chiana havin Khozol district chunga department hauto te an thukoma department shang scheme chanle na tho zo te soi hawaniya malak zel dan to le MP te hena thlen tur te soi hawani Chief Minister Piana Khwa Twalpuya Training Board say ane KVK Khozole HIL India Limited New Delhi Tongkam Board sayin Nimin Khan Chief Minister Laldo Oma Piana Khwa Twalpuya safe and judicious use of pesticides and promotions of integrated pest management practices and promoting eco-friendly crop protection solutions to reduce HHPS ti thapui mangin kun na thok tu dan hena training pe kani Training a hian HIL India Limited atrangle KVK lamatangin Purambot saya SMS agronomy le Dr. Lalngai omi SMS plant protection den kunna thoktu kalkhom tanhena azirtirna anpeya kunna thoktu zani somthum kal tanhena hian safety kit sem ani MP Richard Vanal mangaya havin lunglaya disha thukho mane Lunglei District Development Coordinations and Monitoring Committee so and Chairman MP Richard Vanal Mangaya havin Lunglei District Conference Hall Nimin Khan and Tukom. He huna hian Sarkar kumkal mek sangni somni pangatang sangni somni paruk first quarter le second quarter April tanga September in cards hunga Lunglei District Sarkar lai puiba manat nuaya masonat na shang kalpui dan clear hauni in harsat na omtele achin feldan tu le halak zui zel dan turte soi ho ani atma in review meeting an nei Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Department noya Agriculture Technology Management Agency atma chuan Nirin Khan pu arlal nunzira State Nodal Officer atma le Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Department Director Nibok Havin Directorate of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Committee Room tuikwala review meeting an neya Department dangle nabar tenena district shanga atma ta tho haudan kim chang taka clear hau ani Longtlai DC in GST 2.0 chungchanga chinchin bumi te komna anei pu donilal rat sanga Longtlai DC chuan Nimin Khan a office a goods and services tax GST 2.0 chungchanga chinchin bumi te akoma GST pek ngai ten GST identification number antar lang turania hemi baka section somthum pakhatin aphut angin thil leile shalkonga invoice an pichwa nge tur ani ati dan zom lo te chu section za somni pani le za somni panga GSTX sangni som pasari manga shem thei ani thuwa tar langa khautaka kalpui ani tur thu a soibok kumin chhungin Russia in Ukraine ram square kilometer sanga deutho alato Russia President Vladimir Putin chuan nimin khan akum somsari pathum tlenna champha a chepela rwal ma a thu soin kumin chhunga an chipaiden Ukraine ram square kilometer sanga deutho mishing chenna khozakni pani huwa man lak do thu soin indon na hmontina chan thajok an chan thu soi kumin chhunga Russia ram lakhi Ukraine ram za pakhat vel ni in tundin hmuna Ukraine ram za songni vel Russia na opto ani khati zongkha tuntuma chanchin thar kanon ti chwa thaite chuhani e